Hi guys, my name's Shayne Coyne and this is Tech Tips. Today we're reviewing the Jabra Evolve 65T wireless headset. I'll be honest with you, when I first got these and opened them up, I was a little bit concerned as far as how they would fit in my ear, but to my surprise, there's quite a level of comfortability, and so much so that I oftentimes don't even notice that I'm wearing them. Right off the bat, I was able to connect these right away to my phone. You can connect them either through an iPhone with iOS or through Android, such as like a Samsung phone. There is an app through Jabra that allows you to understand the functionality of this headset. While it only has a couple of different buttons on here, those buttons do numerous things, from powering up and powering on to turning off, increasing sound, decreasing sound, accepting phone calls that come in, as well as being able to connect to the phone itself through Bluetooth, of course. One of the funny things about this earbud is that when you take it out, unlike other earbuds, it actually stops playing your music. So while you're listening to the music and you have it in, there's sensors on these earbuds that once it's removed from your ear, your song stops. So you don't miss a beat, literally. I do like the fact that the battery life on these is excellent. You can get a max battery life of up to 15 hours, but on just a 15-minute charge, you can get anywhere from up to an hour and a half of use out of these tiny earbuds. One of the great things about the sound quality is that while you may be in a crowded room, this would be great for working professionals, maybe in an office environment where they're having a lot of coworkers or a lot of noise around them. It is able to portray the sound of what you're listening to, whether you're on a call or you're listening to music, while at the same point in time drowning it out just enough to where you're getting that, but you can still hear outside noises around you. A great feature of the quality of this headset. So in conclusion, my thoughts: if you're looking for a wireless Bluetooth headset that is not only professional, but unique, sporty, and just downright fun, the Jabra Evolve 65T would be great. You can purchase one of these through CXtec, who happens to be a Jabra partner. There are numerous great qualities about a lot of the Jabra line, and this review on the 65T was just one of those.